Okay, so we got this AMMZO digital instant read food thermometer, and we just got it today, and we get to use it here because we're cooking here in our air fryer. We're cooking some meat there. So this here, to turn it on, you can see there's a screen there, and there was a little protector over it. And you just push any of the buttons and it'll open it, it'll wake it up and make it alive and stuff. And then to shut it off, you just hold this top button here, just hold that down for 3 seconds. And ta-da, off. And then you can change it from centigrade to Fahrenheit with that button. And then it folds down so that when you have it in storage in your drawer or whatever, you're not going to poke yourself or whatever. And then you just unfold it there to be able to use it. Haha, how about that? So anyway, we're going to, when the meat is ready, we're going to be giving that a little try here. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple things here on the back. It has a little temperature chart on the back so you can tell. Cook your poultry to 165, cook your fish to 145, and then your beef, lamb, pork, veal, it says well done, medium, and medium rare there, so you know what temperature you need to cook things to. So that's pretty cool, and that's very handy because it's right there when you're needing to look at the thermometer, right? And then this little part right here, see that little circle? I'll show you what that's about. Look at that, it's magnetic, and it'll just stick to the side of your grill or your refrigerator or wherever you need it to. And it also came with a spare battery and a spare magnet. How's that? Haha. Okay, so we just got done with the first few minutes on our steak here. And I'm going to check the temperature. I don't think they're done yet because they're kind of fat. But I'm going to check the temperature and just see where we're at here on them. And we're just going to poke that in there, and we're going to see 111, 112. Yep, that's still not done enough. So I just turned them, so what we'll do is we will, let's see, 90. Yeah, that one's definitely still in the around 100-ish. And that one there, that one's a little bit more done, 120-ish, but not quite done enough. So okay, to turn the backlight on, you just push that little button right there like that, and we're going to check our steaks now that we have let them cook for a little while longer here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, bye. 136. We need them a little bit doner than 136. 134.35. That little piece there is done. Let's see about that other little piece back there. That's getting close. That little piece back there is done, but the bigger pieces are not. So we're going to let it cook the other two pieces and pull that one out.